What's up, you guys? Jenny here, and today I'm going to show you guys how to get the modern day Cinderella style on my gorgeous model here, Lexi. So you guys can see she has mid-length hair. It's very fine. We went ahead and added some texture mousse by Air Professional, releasing in October 2019 to really just add that texture to her hair. So after doing that, we're going to go ahead and get started. The reason why I wanted to use the mousse too is because we're not going to really add any curl to this. So this is going to give longevity to our hairstyle and it's not going to slip out. Let's get started. So for this style, we are going to start off by sectioning the front out. We're going to take it at a slight diagonal back. Just slightly behind the ear, taking it with a tail comb. Clip this away for later. Doing the same thing on the opposite side. So working with the back section first, we're going to gather all the hair back about high crown and create a very high ponytail. Now that I've gotten it the direction that I want it, we're going to create our ponytail. Just going to add a hair elastic in there. Perfect. So now we are going to add some hair padding. So what's great about this, it's just a spongy material that you can actually place in the hair and place the hair over it to create a lot of volume and thickness. And it works really well with fine-haired gals like Lexi and myself because you just need a little bit more bulk to it to make it a little bit more dramatized. So you can see it's usually a roll and I just cut it. So now we're just going to fold it in fours, making it the size of our bun that we want it, okay? So put your head back. I'm gonna show you guys. So I'm placing it around the hair elastic in a square. I'm gonna secure all four corners, taking my bobby pin, pushing through the hair padding and then pushing it towards the hair elastic. Doing the same thing on the opposite side. And again, all four corners. I'm kind of tucking the corners in just a little bit to create a kind of a rounded corner. Let's see, just going right in there, pushing that through. Okay. So now we're gonna take this hair out of the pony and we're just gonna spread it out and we're actually gonna take the ends and tuck it. Before we do that, since we didn't curl her hair, she has kind of this soft, really silky texture. I'm gonna add a little bit of hairspray in there. This is Flexible Hold Hairspray by Air Professional, coming out October 2019. I'm so excited. It's one of the best hairsprays. I feel I've developed it for, 3 years. Pretty excited about it. So it has a little bit of shine to it. And I'm just gonna brush it out and spreading the hair out because you don't wanna see that hair padding. So you wanna make sure that if there's any kind of dark areas, you just simply shift some of the hair. Now we're gonna take the ends very carefully, kind of pinch it together, then put another hair elastic right there, and simply fold it into our hair padding. Get it where we want it. I like that shape. So again, tucking this under kind of the hair padding here, you can just open it up, push those ends through, and then pull back that hair elastic down. And that's actually where we're gonna slide our bobby pin. Just directly under that. We're gonna polish up the back a little bit by hairspraying and just taking the end of the tail comb and just smoothing those pieces in. Okay, so now we have our Cinderella bun shape. We gotta work with the front area now. We're gonna release those clips. Now, I wanna mention too that just because I did it this way doesn't mean you guys have to at home. You could certainly customize the front pieces, pull them back, maybe something like that. But we're gonna take this and we're gonna do almost like a fold with the hair and drape it across. I'm gonna brush it out first. All right, so now we are going to work with the section first to the right. So the opposite of where her parting is. Again, using some flexible hold hairspray. Spraying it, then we're gonna comb it. Draping it across the back, taking the ends, and again, we're just gonna simply tuck it underneath the Cinderella bun, and then bobby pin it into place, tuck in those little ends. All right, on this side, we're gonna do the same thing. Hairspray it, then just kind of comb it to give it more of a polished feel. So then what I like to do here is manipulate the hair by taking the tail comb where you kind of want the flip, like the ridge to it, okay? We're gonna take the tail comb, I'm gonna add a little bit more hairspray through in that ridge that we're creating. And then if you guys can see, folding it. Gonna add a little bit more hairspray going this way now, going up. Taking the end of the tail comb and just simply smoothing that hair out. And we are gonna drape the ends, going across and kind of covering that little area there. Taking the tail comb to just polish it up. Pinch it, just fold the ends kind of in there, sliding in our bobby pin. And per usual, I always like to finish it off with some spray shine. That's gonna help definitely tame any of our flyaways down, especially with a style like this. This is by Air Professional as well. That's the tester bottle, so you guys get to be the first ones to see it. So then I'm gonna actually embellish it with a little clip here by 8% Heaven. And you can use whatever hair embellishment you want. Kind of made it turn into like a little Breakfast at Tiffany's style. Push that in there. Boom, and that is about it. I hope you guys liked my modern day Cinderella style, and I'll see you guys soon.